Hi, Vince Pie Digits. How are you today?
Hi, Professor Creamcake. I am okay, thank you. Hey, what's all this about someone landing a probe on a comet?
Let me explain. You see, 10 years ago, the European Space Agency launched an unmanned mission called the Rosetta mission to land a probe onto the surface of a comet.
Wow, that is amazing.
You know, it is a bit like landing a black currant onto a speeding bullet.
Yes, but I don't like black currants.
All right, what about a peanut then?
I don't like them either.
No, look, Vince. It merely illustrates the enormity of the task undertaken.
Well, obviously, like with the black currant, the peanut would roll off the bullet, but it would make the bullet all greasy.
You know, it has taken 10 years so far for the Rosetta mothership to catch the comet, and the probe called Phil A landed on the surface on the 12th of November 2014 after bouncing twice on the surface.
Yes, by bouncing twice before landing, it would have had a terrible headache.
Please be quiet.
Creamcake, what is my dishwasher doing on that comet?
It illustrates that the probe called the Phil A lander was about the same size as your dishwasher.
If it starts rusting, I'll clobber you. Please return it at once.
Impossible. Besides, the comet is over 300 million miles away.
Well, why not use your super deluxe dishwasher instead? Dishwasher brain,
Pea brain,
blackcurrant brain,
gooseberry gob,
comet gob,
starfish face,
strawberry jam fish face,
you jellyfish face,
starfish face.
Vince, be quiet. You know how old our sun is, Vince Pie Digits?
Well, 12,000 years ago, we were at the tail end of the last ice age. So I reckon the sun is 12,000 years and 1 day old.
Wrong. The sun was formed about 4.5 billion years ago.
It must have lots of wrinkles.
No, Vince. By analysing this comet, we hope to learn more about our sun.
Did our sun once look like a duck then?
No, duck brain.
Comet brain.
Dusty comet head.
You sparkling comet dust.
Please shut up, Vince Pie Digits. You know, when it landed on November the 12th, it landed sort of in the shade, so that its solar panels could not capture sunlight to power the Phil A lander and to carry out various experiments on board. Consequently, they lost contact. Then, suddenly, only a few days ago, it contacted Earth again, much to the relief of scientists on Earth. Just imagine that, Vince. Hibernating for 7 months.
Well, it's not that surprising. Wouldn't you go to sleep for 7 months after travelling non-stop for 10 years? I expect the probe was tied out. Anyway, why couldn't they just plug it into the mains on the comet?
Impossible. The comet travels at speeds of up to 80,000 miles per hour.
The comet should have a speeding ticket, and I hope there are no pubs on the comet, or it will be had up for drunken driving.
Chemical analysis of samples from the comet will help scientists understand more about our solar system, how it was formed and that sort of thing. What do you say to that, Vince Pie Digits?
Well, Creamcake, we know how our solar system was formed. An engineer came from the Comet electrical store on the high street and fitted our solar heating panel system.
Ah, Vince, I give up. You are something else.
Yes, us intrepid explorers require a lot of credit and admiration, and Creamcake, you just don't understand, and besides, you just haven't got the bottle.